NYS, Honorable Andai, you are right that NYS is now in much better shape. When I was first minister here, NYS was part of my mandate, but then after I left, NYS sort of became a nomad. It ended up in all sorts of places, but it has now been returned to this ministry. And I want to assure you that the very good work that the current Director General and her team have done at NYS is something that I want to support and to progress the work of NYS. NYS is now a full-fledged statutory body. It is a full-fledged paramilitary unit within our security architecture. So the way NYS is operating is definitely different from before. And these progressive steps are steps that I would definitely want to look at. And Honorable Andai, being a good neighbor in Ugunja, I know that if I did not visit this facility in Rangala, I might not get passage rights to access my Dala down in Budalangi. So should this committee clear me, definitely I would be glad to visit the NYS unit in Rangala alongside other units to make sure that they operate in a manner that is beneficial to our young people. Finally, Mheshimiwa